The first plugin we have to talk about, everybody probably already knows, and it's Kontakt. But there's a couple things about Kontakt that are just absolutely goated. The first thing is that every single year they have free banks that they pass out. Like this Yang Quinn one that I got is just amazing. But also sometimes they pass out full banks, like this one called 25 that has all kinds of stuff in it. Flutes, brass, bass, like all types of stuff. And these sounds are fire, man. So you gotta get this. You don't have to have the paid version. Just get the free version on their website, and then when they release a free one, you'll be ready to download it. But we gotta talk about the bundle really quick, and we'll just talk about the standard bundle because that's what I have. It's a couple $100, but it does go on sale during the holidays, so I would definitely grab it if you ever can. And the reason why is because it's way worth your money. There's a couple of core plugins that I use all the time with this, and the first one is this Rickenbacker bass here, and I use this every time I want to put a bass in my beats. I use this for all my boom bap beats. It's amazing. A couple other things that are really great is they have a bunch of different drum programmers. If you want some live drum, there's like 5 of them. You get Analog Dreams, which has a lot of analog songs like plucks, synths, basses, and different things like that that are absolutely fire. I also really love this Cloud Supply, which is another bank of just really great trap sounds that you can use. This Lo-Fi Glow one has some really great sounds for different lo-fi effects with cool textures and stuff in the backgrounds. There's tons of different pianos. I mean, there's probably at least 4 or 5 different sounding pianos you can use that are all high quality. Like, look at these are all pianos. The Gentleman, the Giant, the Grandeur, the Maverick, and we already went past a couple of them. So as you can see, it's just ridiculous. And the list just goes on and on. But that's just the preset banks that come with Kontakt. They also give you a bunch of plugins to go with it. And if you don't have money to spend today, we got some free ones in here that you gotta get. The first one is Key Zone Classic. This one is a free piano that has a couple different presets. As you can see, the Yamaha, Steinway, Bass Electric, and a Rhodes. And we also have a video on the best free plugins that you can get. I'm going to link that at the top of the video. Watch that one next, but don't skip on this one. We got some sauce coming up. The next one we're talking about is Addictive Drums, and you get individual kits for this plugin. Now, the ones I recommend are Fairfax Volume 2. Volume 1 is also great. The Vintage Dry, this is probably my favorite one. And the Funk. Those are the 3 that I have. Let's check it out. Man, that one sounds ridiculous. All right, this is called Halo Light, and this one was free literally up until the day I'm recording this today. So that's a bummer. The holiday sale expired, but it is like only 20 bucks. And this one's cool. It's got a lot of really dope bass sounds. Let's check some of them out. This next one is called Shreddage 3, and it's a free guitar plugin. I actually saw Ed Talenti talking about this one, and I checked it out, and it's so dope that I had to also talk about it, include it, in case you guys don't know already. So I went ahead and took the MIDI from Santeria by Sublime, and that's what we're going to use to show you guys this. It might be a little sped up, though. That one sounds fire. Yeah, so there's a lot of really dope presets in here. Everybody should grab this because, like I said, it's for free. Really quick, guys, I have to let you know that this video is sponsored by Audio Hacks. And we just want to show you one of these crazy features from our newest drum kit, Blizzard Storm, that's an absolute game changer when it comes to mixing down your beats. After that, we'll get right back into the video. So on top of this new kit being an absolute powerhouse of drum sounds, we also included our Drum Thumper Ableton effect racks that you can use in 2 clicks for perfect effects. Check out this 808 one really quick. We're going to delete the 808 off of this channel, so all we're left with is the MIDI. We're going to go up here and click on the 808 effect rack, and it should just work out of the box. Let's check out our hi-hat one as well, and I'm going to just delete everything off of this channel. You can visit the link in the description below to learn more about the Blizzard Storm drum kit. Now back into the video. Alright, now we're gonna get into some effect plugins. The first one we have to talk about is Archetype Tim Henson. This is the best guitar plugin with amps and reverbs and delays and everything built in that I've ever seen. It whoops guitar rigs butt. So this was the guitar before. And let's apply this float one that we got open right here. Just creates a literal whole song. Let's take a look at some of these Tim Henson ones right here. Maybe we'll go down to these worst ones. Alright, and while we're here and we're talking about the archetype, we have to look at the Corey Wong one as well. Not going to go into too much detail, but this is the one that I use for all of my bass instruments. It just puts a perfect bass amp together and makes it sound super professional. Alright, the next one we have to take a look at is K-Clip 3. This is my favorite soft clipper plugin, hands down, and that's because there's so many different clipping modes as you can see here. You got crisp, tube, tape, germanium, silicon, guitar amp, and broken speaker. Now, the reason I love this one so much is because you have so much flexibility over how the soft clipper sounds. You also have this soften knob right here that allows you to get even softer curve. Also, there's this mid-side knob that I haven't seen on any other clippers, and if we read it, it said it adjusts the mid-side stereo field ratio prior to applying the soft clipping, which is really awesome, and I've played with it and you can get some dope effects. Take the soften up. Let's try some others. Crisp. Tube. Guitar amp. This broken speaker sounds dope. Now let's play with this mid side really quick so you can just hear what it's doing, because this can be a game changer in and of itself. Let's take a look at some dope distortion. This plugin is completely free. It's called Trap Drive, and you get different kinds of distortion with it. There's a knob right here that goes between the different types, and you have your amount, and then obviously you can adjust your output and your input gain as well. Let's start applying this to this 808. Now, my favorite paid distortion is Trash 2, and I actually got this for free. It seems like they do little free discounts throughout the year with certain plugins, and this one's one of them. So stay on the lookout. If you didn't happen to get it this year, it might be free again. Let me just show you a couple of these. There's definitely some aliens hiding in this plugin, I swear to God. But this is dope not just for your bass and 808s, you can use this on anything. This is really great for sound design, and I use it a lot when I'm making my drum kits. The next one is Riff, which is my favorite modular distortion plugin. This one goes a little bit crazier than the other distortions. It does things that I don't even really know what it does. It has different wavetables and shapes, and it's pushing different things around and making craziness happen, but let's just listen to it. I'm gonna put it on my melody. And look at these presets here. They literally just keep going, and they're all nice and organized for you. You got delays, feedbacks, amps, raw tones, retro grits. There's also a light free version on their website. Now let's switch over to the vinyl distortion for tape saturation effects. And my new favorite one is this Tape Mellowify by Arturia, because it sounds so clean, and the different presets you have just make such a big difference. Alright, so this next one, you may have heard me talk about this because I can't stop raving about it. It's the Good Hertz mid-side plugin. Now this is dope because I do quite a few things here. I mess with the stereo width, the mono below, and the side information. Let's turn it on. I do have a little secret bonus. If you're still watching this video, I really appreciate you, so I saved the best one for last. When I found out about this, it literally changed the way I do everything. So on YouTube, you have this little extra button right here that says play on a TV. And what this does is it allows you to play any video over top of Ableton, all right? So literally, you don't have to click through different tabs. You don't have to look at another monitor. It's all right there, and you can pause it and play it, and it works wonders for learning. So when you first click on this, it's going to download something in the browser. Once that downloads for you, all you have to do is click this button again, and then you can click this little button up here, and it's going to go ahead and put this screen right here. So now we can move the tab wherever we want. We don't have to worry about it. And while we're working on Ableton, we can click around, we can follow the tutorial, and we can go up here and play and pause it as we follow along. Select both of these and press. So literally, this doesn't get in your way at all. It doesn't block you from doing anything. And dude, this is an absolute game changer right here for learning tutorials and everything. So these are the plugins I'm going to be using nonstop in 2023. Go ahead and comment below and tell me what your favorite plugins are for this year as well. I'd love to hear it. And never forget that consistency is the biggest catalyst for success. So show up every day with a positive mentality, and everything in this world is yours for the taking. Peace out.